Talafalava, kia ora, maalori lei, puravinaka, whakalofala yatu, kia orana, and kia mate. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today is a Monday in Sydney. And today, we're going to do some cooking today. We're cooking soup with no meat. Just vegetables. And I'm going to show you today how much it costs for this soup. And also, how many people we can serve with this soup or we can feed with this soup. And yeah, o mera lei le la ka ko fa kau ya pe fier kau e fa ka ko supo pe fier ka fa ko supo ye pe ka ma onga fa ko supo ya le la ka ko wo. And before we go, just hit the subscribe and the bell button below, and yeah, for you to see more videos from us. Yeah, o mi fu subscribe ngali man ngi ka ko longo ngali. So yeah, so today guys, we're not using any meat, but we're looking for a vegetable dumpling. So that's pork. Nope. That's pork right there. No. So let's go to the next fridge. Yeah, that's seafood. No, that's vegetable. Oh no, now I'm looking for the brand. There's a brand I'm looking for. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go. That's vegetable. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one of these bags. And how much is this one? It's $4.30. Wow. Just grab one bag. Let's look at ingredients. Flour, cabbage, leek, onions. Yeah, so it's all vegetables in there. All vegetables. Just grab one bag. Next, we're gonna get some stock. Now, stock is like it's a powder that you put in the water. So your soup is not watery. We're not using any pork or chicken, but we're looking for like a mushroom one. Oh, there you go. So we found the mushroom stock. So you put flavor in the water. And next, we're gonna get some spring onion, which is Charlotte. Ooh, $1.50. Wow, that's cheap. Get a half of this one. It's like bok choy, but it's like this one is like lettuce. $2.50. Let's get some sanga, which is corn. Yeah, one bag of that. How much is that one? $2.50. Wow. Oh, $1 per kilo. Tomatoes or tomatoes. Yeah, get a couple of tomatoes or tomatoes and get some garlic. Well, we'll be using one, but we're gonna get the bag anyway. It's $2.50, and some ginger, which is few. Get a little bit of few, yeah. Okay, those are ingredients or angyangi onions, few, ginger, spring onion, garlic, kapisi, cabbage, sanga, and then yeah. So you gotta have one of these stove or whatever camping thing, yeah. Yeah, have a frying pan, non-stick frying pan. Put some oil. So now we're gonna actually fry our dumplings, so you can get crispy on the outside, so when you put it in the soup it doesn't get really soaky in that. Yeah, so roughly around 32 dumpling inside one bag. Wow, that's a lot. After you fry the dumpling, get some pot. If you got a ulo like this, put some water inside. You can get like and chuck these guys in. Yeah, there's so it's about 4 or 5 inside that pack that we just bought, and put some sanga. Those are all our spices that we're gonna go in. All cut up, and then now it's it's start boiling, so we're gonna put some few in. Yeah, that few, man. Garlic, and then our onions there. Yeah, our onions there, and leave those other ones for later. Put some white pepper in it. Yeah, and then some sweet soy sauce. This is a sweet soy sauce. It's kind of thick soy sauce, but it's dark. Yeah, some white pepper in there, some soy sauce in there. Just eyeball it, man. Like that's what I normally do. Just put some color in there, and now you can put those the rest of your the spring onion in there. Now we're gonna put some tomatoes. Yeah, to get that flavor in there, and the other part of the our pork choy, and yeah, and that's it. Turn it off and put some sesame oil for it creates that roast flavor inside the soup. And now let's get it all prepared now and get it ready. So roughly you can put like 4 inside one bowl. 4 inside one bowl. So we're gonna serve 8 people with this soup. Like I said, yeah. So 8 people. Wow. Put some some suave in there. Yeah, suave lelofa. Put some juice in there. Yeah. Anyways, so you can put like 2 or 4. Yeah. Today, if you have to fill it up, let's go. Yeah, man, it looks good. Yeah, so you can put like 3-4 pieces of corn in there. So yeah, and and now last we're gonna put some spring onion cut up. It's like seasoning you know. So and now we can put some pork choy in there, or kapishi, or these ones they taste like lettuce. So yeah, so there you go, guys. Look, really good, eh? So you can put noodles or whatever you want to put in it. And today we're gonna have some. We're gonna have it with the bun. So these are like 12 rolls for like $2.90 from Woolies or Woolworths. Yeah, just put 10 minutes on the oven, and that's it, man. There you go. So you see, and then we use I normally use the New Zealand butter. Like New Zealand butter, they're the best, man. Kiwi butters, man, they're the best. So you butter that up, melt that butter's melting there, and yeah, look at look at the soup. So 8 people you can feed with this soup, man. $20, roughly $20 if you add it up, and yeah, so. There you go, guys. For our soup today, it only cost us $20. $20 to make this soup, but serve 8 people. You can do more, but today I've used vegetables, but you can go ahead and use any of the meat, like beef, chicken, pork, kangaroo, and yeah. So go ahead and get some ingredients I've shown you in this video from your local supermarket, and also from your fruit and veg shop, and to impress your family, man. Time to cook some food for your wife, your kids, your loved ones, your partner, your friends. Yeah, so if you want to know how to make this soup, go back and watch it again. And yeah, so if you want to save some money, yeah, you can go ahead and make this soup for your family. And for more videos from us, press that subscribe button and also the bell. So I'll be making more videos how to not so much of a cheap meal, but taste and quality, restaurant style, and also affordable for you to cook for your family. So I'll see you in the next video. God bless and take care and follow up.